Welcome to Traveleatsleep. Today I will be showing you guys how to cook Kacchi biryani, one of the most delicious dish from Bangladesh. If you want to learn perfect authentic Kacchi biryani, you have to watch until end without break. 3 stars, 12 cardamom, 3 sticks cinnamon, 4 black cardamom, big elach, 2 teaspoon black cumin, Sahi jira, 1 nutmeg which is called jaifal, half teaspoon jayatri, 2 teaspoon whole coriander, 1 teaspoon whole black pepper, or you can use the white peppers. These all ingredients together I will be crushing. I soak some Safran inside the water. This water we will be using it later, but you have to prepare the earlier. So I will keep on the side. I took some raisin and I need to blend this raisin, and I will be keeping on the side for now. I took some cashew nut and I soak inside the water, and I have to make it paste. I take some water and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon salt and mix nicely. I have 3 pound goat meat and I make big size like that, so I'm going to put inside the water. Soak inside the water nicely and keep half an hour on the side. After that, range the water. I took medium size 7 potato. I will be add some color, I'm adding some food color and mix it properly. Now we will fry this potato. I took 2 large onions and I want to fry and make it bresta. I took some vegetable oil and now I will be make bresta with milk. Onion almost ready. We want to brown and crispy. So our bresta is ready. So I will be keep like that on the side. I will be fry potato with same oil. Now time to marinate our Kacchi biryani meat. So earlier I already soak water with salt and I take out this water, and I have a own meat. I put in the meat inside my pot. Cashew, ginger and garlic together I made paste, and I'm putting that all. Now I'm gonna add the raisin. The raisin I blended already. Make paste. All the ingredients I blended. I showed you earlier. All the ingredients I blended together, and I'm going to put inside 1 teaspoon turmeric, 2 tablespoons yogurt, salt based on your taste, half teaspoon spicy chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 3 tablespoons ghee. Now mix it properly by hand. So after mix nicely, I have to add my bresta here. My bresta, look how crunchy it is. I will keep some bresta for later too. Now I will mix it slowly. So our marination done. We will keep like that 3 hours. I took 4 cup long grain Basmati rice, you can see here. I will wash it and then I will boil it. 12 cup water I boiled. I'm going to add 2 bay leaves, few cardamom, some salt. I'm going to add all my rice in this. Cook 5 minutes with cover. So our 5 minutes over, we're going to close the heat and open it. Now we will be through the water, only keep the rice. I made a flour dough because I need to seal the pot, so we don't want the air go outside. So the flour dough basically is softer than the bread flour. How you make, it's a little bit softer. We need like that. Now we are the final stage our kacchi biryani. So we have to add all the leftover ingredients, whatever I have. So first we're gonna add some rice in the top. So we only take out the rice, which is the pre-boiled, everywhere slowly nicely. Now we'll be add our potato. Now leftover rice again. So leftover rice. Now we'll be add 1 cup milk. Cup ghee everywhere. So I'm going to add this cup of water. Earlier I showed you guys. Now I'm adding some long on the top, not too much, few. Adding few spoon cup of water. Now our preparation done. Now we will be cover it. Now remember we make the flour dough for close it, so we have to use seal it properly with flour dough. My pot already sealed. Now I will be cook with medium heat 5 minutes. After that 1 hour with low heat. So our kacchi oven is ready. Now I have to open. Our kacchi oven is ready. So now you see how the meat is how tender. I can show it to you guys. See how meat is tender. Very soft.